Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install VLC media player on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search VLC media player and click on search. You will see VLC media player is here. Click on VLC media player and click on install. After click on install, your app is installed according to your internet connection. After install app, showing here showing on your app screen, and you will see use from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install VLC media player on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.